Are you looking for an easier way to track your fitness without complicated calculations? You can find it in a seemingly unlikely place: Office 365. That's right. Through the calculating power of Excel and the portability of Office 365, you'll be able to track your fitness goals and progress at home and on the go, just by setting up a spreadsheet. The setup process is simple and can be customized to adhere to your own personal workout regimen. Thanks to the connectivity of Office 365, your enabled devices will stay synced up so that you have your most current progress logged in at any time. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel and search for fitness in the top search bar. Excel provides many templates on the homepage before you begin a new workbook. Step 2. Select the fitness plan template. You'll find all kinds of fitness templates when you perform a search. Step 3. Once you open the documents, fill out the information related to your regimens in the data cells provided. The template comes preloaded with 4 exercises per category: warm-up, strength, cardio, and cool-down. Step 4. You can share your training success with your workout buddies or trainer to stay motivated. To share, just enter their email addresses, and they'll be able to view your progress. Step 5. Track the progress of your fitness plan by utilizing a separate Excel file. Select File and then New to open a new Excel file. Type Weight Loss Tracker to find the Weight Loss Tracker with BMI template and select that. Step 6. Enter your personal data in the Data Entry tab to keep track of your progress. Enter your workout and nutritional data for each session, and Excel will take care of the rest. Piece of cake, right? But don't eat it. Check back with MyChoiceSoftware to see other great ways you can utilize Office 365 in your daily life.